NBC 15 Law Call.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Law Call. Let's get straight to your questions. We've got Phil on the line. Phil, what's your question?
Hey, Phil.
Well, my injury was caused by myself. I fell from a tree and I broke my pelvic. Well, now the plate, 3 months later, the plate they put in my pelvic to hold it together is separated, is broken. Do I have any legal recourse to the makers of this plate that the surgeons used, or where do I start?
Okay, great question, and the answer to your question is quite possibly you may have a case against the plate manufacturer. We have these come up all the time from knee implants, hip implants, where they're just defective and they'll break, or the screws will come loose in the knees, or whatever the case may be. But what I would encourage you to do, at first, number one, remember you got 2 years typically in a situation like this. So, but what I would do is immediately find out the manufacturer of that particular plate, the model number, everything. It's going to be recorded in your medical records, and then you can. First thing I would do is just Google it. If you type in, let's say it's Smith Plates is the manufacturer. I'm just making that name up, and put the model number. And if it starts popping up and dinging a lot, just like in the GMC engine case that's going on right now, I've had a lot of people call me on that, and you need specifics before you can find out. There may be a class action going on already, or something, or it may be something that's if it's just something that number one, they shouldn't break, but number two, if it could be a design defect that all these plates across the country are defective, or it could be that just the particular plate that you have was defective. And I don't know if there's a way, or if you've already had this repaired, but if there's any way to get, even though it sounds gross, getting the actual plate that broke, and a lawyer can get experts to take a look at that. But I'd start with the make and model of the hip or the plate, and then also just Google it and see if anything's going on, and I'd be happy to try to point you in the right direction.
That's an interesting point about actually retrieving the plate. Like if he goes to get a replacement, to request, I want the old one that was in my body, don't throw that away, I want that back. I guess that's not something that I would maybe think of, but that's an interesting point to make. Yeah,
and I've had certain situations where they gladly sterilize it and give it to the person, and then some say it's against their policy. It's already, it could be contaminated, and it has to be thrown away. So, but at the very least, you need them just on your medical records. And actually on the plate, there's going to be, it's going to be engraven in very smallly, but as far as what type of plate it was. But find out the make and model of that plate, and then take it from there.